Question number 1. Convert into fractions. A part 71.002. So to write down this decimal into fraction, first of all we will write down the number without decimal 71002, and then we will draw the bar. Below the bar we will write down the denominator. First of all we will write in denominator 1. And now how many zeros will be there in denominator? This can be found out by checking the number of digits after decimal in the question. After decimal there are 3 numbers, 3 digits, 1, 2 and 3. So we will write down 3 zeros after 1 in the denominator. So our fraction will become 71,002 upon 1000. Now we will cut down it with 2 because both the numbers are divisible by 2. When you are cutting 1000 with 2, you will get 500. When you are dividing this with 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10, then 0, 2 1s are 2. So after cutting you will get 35,501 divided by 500. Now no more cutting is there. So this is the lowest term. It will become our answer. Right? Now let's start this P part. 811.56. What is our first step? To write down in the form of fraction, we will write down the number without decimal 81156 upon 1, and with 1 how many zeros? 1 and 2. So it will become 100 as a denominator. So our number will become, our fractional number will become 81,156 upon 100. Now again cancellation is here because both the numbers are divisible by 2 and are divisible by 4 also. If we are cutting it with 2, then we will cut down in 2 steps. First of all we will cancel with 2, then again with 2, and here I have done it with 4. 100 divided by 4 will give you the answer 25. Right? 81,156 divided by 4 will give you the answer 20,289. So our number will become 20,289 upon 25. This is our fractional number. So we have converted this decimal into fraction. Now C part 754.001. First of all, to write down it in the form of fraction, we will write down 754,001 upon 1000. Understood? So the fraction has become 754,001 upon 1000. How we will read this? 7,54,001 upon 1000. 1000 is divisible by 2, 5 and 10. But this number is not divisible by 2, 5 and 10. So this is our answer only. No cutting is there. No cancellation is there. So it is our answer. D part 1426.42. So to write down it in the form of fraction, 1426 decimal 42 will become 1,42642 upon 100. So the fraction is 1,42,642 upon 100. Again cancellation is there with 2. So when we will divide 100 with 2, we will get 50. And when 1,42,642 is divided by 2, we will get 71,321. So our answer will become 71,321 upon 50. Understood? If the fractional number is not in the lowest form, then you have to convert it into lowest form also. Now question number 2, convert into decimals. Now fractions are given and we have to write in the form of decimals. A part 192 upon 100. Now reverse of the previous question. So the step for solving it, first step is count the number of zeros following 1 in the denominator. So count the number of zeros in denominator 1 and 2. 2 zeros are there. Step 2 is there. Count the equal number of places in the numerator starting from the ones digit. Start from the ones digit. 1, 2 we have counted. So 1, 2. From ones place we have to count. And now then you have to place the decimal. So after these 2 digits, from ones place you will count. We will put decimal. So our answer will become 1.92. Okay. See the next part again so that you can understand. 1543 upon 100. Say in denominator how many zeros are there? 2. Now start counting the digits from ones place. 1 and 2. Here you are going to put the decimal. So our answer will become 15.43. Right? C part 94 upon 1000. Now see beta, in denominator how many zeros are there? 1, 2 and 3 zeros. And we have to count the 3 digits from numerator 1 and 2. We have only 2 digits. We want 3. So we can write down 0 here. Before 9 we will write down 0. Not after 4. After 4 if we are writing it will become 940. और हमें क्वेश्चन चेंज नहीं करना. 94 is given, then we want 94 only, right? So we will write it as 094. No changes here in our question. 094 or 94 meaning is same. Value is also same. So now you will count on zeros 1, 2, 3. And then in numerator start from ones place 1, 2, 3. Here you will put the decimal. So our answer will become decimal 094. If you are writing here 0.094, that is also correct. Now our D part. 9736 upon 1000. In denominator 1, 2 and 3 zeros are there. Start counting in numerator 1, 2, 3. Here we will put decimal after 9 before 7. So it will become 9.736. Reading will be done in the way as I am doing 9.736. After decimal you have to read single digit. These were the conversion sums from your exercise 1B. Now we will do addition and subtraction of decimal numbers. Exercise 1C, question number 1, add 143.21, 89.025, 1001.002, 975.35. We have to do addition of all these given numerals. So, how to start the addition? We will write the digits of the given number one below the other such that all the decimal points are in the same vertical line. Decimal should be in the same vertical line. In this way, we have to write down the numbers. So, first of all, we will write down 143.21 and now 89.025. 89. 8 is at 10th place, 9 is at 1st place. And then decimal, 0 is at 10th place, 2 at 100th place and 5 at 1000th place. So decimal के नीचे decimal आप लगाएंगे, then your number will be written in the correct way, right? After that, next is 1001.002 and then 975.35. Now, see, we have written the given numerals. The places which are left, we have to write down their zeros. Like here 0, 0, because 1 is here. and above this no number is there, and below this also no number is there, no digit is there. So we will write down 0, 0, 0, 0, and here also 0 and 0. Are you observing from this given question that zeros are outside? We are not inserting 0 in the given numeral. अगर दिए हुए नंबर के बीच में आप 0 पुट कर देंगे तो आपका नंबर चेंज हो जाएगा बेटे. If you are writing 0 here, it will become 1430. That is wrong. Zeros will be written outside only, to the left and to the right. Only this thing you have to keep in the mind. Remaining is simple addition. Zeros will not be inserted inside. जो नंबर दिया है वैसे का वैसे आपको नंबर लिखना है. Then you have to take care that all the decimals should be in the same vertical line, and after that you will do addition. Now do addition. 5 plus 2, 7. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 5, 8. 2 plus 3, 5. Then decimal. 3 plus 9, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 13 plus 5, 18. 8. 1 will be here, carry. 4 plus 8, 12. 12 plus 7, 19. 19 plus 1, 20. 0. 2 carry. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 2. 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 2. So your answer is 2208.587. Now, first question B part. 7 decimal 035, 8005 decimal 007, 91 decimal 71, 15 decimal 9142. Look here. After decimal, maximum 4 digits are there, and in whole number part also 4 digits are there. So be careful that the bigger number is this one from whole number part 8005, and in decimal part decimal 9142. So extra zeros we have to need to insert. So first of all write 7 decimal 035, then 8005. Take care that 5 is at ones place, so ones place 7 के नीचे 5 आएगा. 8005 decimal 007. Then 91 decimal 71. When you write down the number for addition in columns, and be careful that you have to check have we written correct. Ones is there at ones place, so here ones should be at ones place. 7 is at 10th place, 7 should be at 10th place, and decimals should be there in the vertical line. Then last is 15 decimal 9142. 15 decimal 9142, and remaining places zeros will be written, right? And then do addition. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2, 2. 5 plus 7, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. 6, 1. 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6. 7 plus 9, 16. 6, 1 will be here. 9 plus 5, 1 carry will be there. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 13 plus 5, 18. 18 plus 1, 19. 9, 1 carry. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 1, 1 carry. 1 plus 0, 0, 0, 0. 1 will be there. Then 0 plus 8 plus 0 plus 0, 8. So our answer is 8119 decimal 6662. Question number 2 is also there, the same addition question. Find the sum. Now units are written, so you have to take care for writing the units in each step. Rupees 4 decimal 95, rupees 84 decimal 05, rupees 143 decimal 75, and rupees 598 decimal 50. So you will write down the units very carefully in each step. So first number you will write down rupees 4 decimal 95. Below this rupees 84 decimal 05. Be careful that 4 is at ones place, 8 is at tens place, right? Decimal, then 05. Then 143 decimal 75, and rupees 598.50. Now you will do addition. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 5, 1 carry. 9 plus 7, 16. 16 plus 5, 21. 21 plus 1, 22. 2, 2 carry. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 8, 19. 19 plus 2, 21. 1, 2 carry. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 9, 21. 21 plus 2, 23. 3, 2 carry. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. So our answer is rupees. Be careful. Rupees 831.25. Now second question, B part. 981.501 liter plus 1439.915 liter plus 6675.098 liter. So write down very carefully. 981.501 liter. Below this you have to write down 1439.915 liter. Decimals will be written in same vertical line. And here as 1000 is here, so here you are going to write down 0. Then next is 6675.098 liter. Now do addition. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 8, 14. 4, 1 carry. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 1, 1 carry. 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. 5, 1 carry. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 1, 16. 6, 1 carry. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 7, 18. 18 plus 1, 19. 9, 1 carry. 9 plus 4, 13. 13 plus 6, 19. 19 plus 1, 20. 2 will become carry and 0 will be written. 0, 2 carry. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. So our answer is 9096.514 liter. Liter will be written in all the steps very carefully. Now question number 3 is subtraction. Subtract 17.053 from 81.519. So from is written, after that number is bigger, this one is smaller number. Simply समझ लीजिए 17 को subtract करिए 81 से, right? So we will write down this number first, 81.519 minus 17.053. So write down carefully in columns, decimal के नीचे decimal. Now subtraction will be there, 9 minus 3, 6, 1 minus 5. Not possible, so it will take borrow. 1 will become 11, 11 minus 5, 6. 5 will become 4, 4 minus 0, 4. Decimal, 1 minus 7. Not possible, so it will take borrow. 1 will become 11, 8 will become 7. 11 minus 7, 4. 7 minus 1, 6. So our answer is 64.466. Subtract rupees 64.75 from rupees 74.50. So in solution we will write down unit carefully, rupees 74.50 minus rupees 64.75. Now 0 minus 5, not possible, so 0 will take borrow. It will become 10, 5 will become 4. 10 minus 5, 5. 4 minus 7, not possible, again it will take borrow, it will become 14. 4 will become 14, 14 minus 7, 7. 4 has become now 3, 3 minus 4, not possible, so it will take borrow. It will become, 3 will become 13, 13 minus 4, 9. And 7 will become 6 because इसने borrow दिया. 6 minus 6, 0. So our answer is rupees 9.75. do practice of the conversion and addition and subtraction sums. Okay.